Hello everyone, I'm Vanita and today we are going to do a timeless speaker card reading, that is the message from Lord Krishna. Okay, and Ma Radhe as well along with him. Okay, so without any further delay, let us get started. So these are your three piles. Okay, this is conch. Okay, this is one type of conch. This is pile 1. Okay, and this is pile 2. Okay, that is a tortoise. Okay, and this is pile 3. Okay, another conch. Okay, so just close your eyes, ask your God, Goddess and Archangels, your guardian angels, your spirit guide, your higher self. Okay, go as per your intuitions that which pile you are drawn to, okay, which pile you are attracted to. Okay, and just ask yourself that what Lord Krishna wants to give you a particular message. Okay, so hello pile 1, whoever has chosen this beautiful conch. Okay, so let us see what message Lord Krishna and Mother Radhe want to give you. Okay, for your current situation, what message they want to give you. Okay, dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Lord Krishna, Mother Radhe, what message? Okay, I'm just removing all the cards, okay, and I'll see all of them together. Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, Guardian Angels, pile 1. What message Lord Krishna and Radhe want to give to pile 1? What message Lord Krishna will give to everyone, those who have chosen pile 1? What message Lord Krishna and Radhe will give to pile 1? Okay guys, so let us see one by one what message Lord Krishna have for you. Okay, so the first card that you have received is 3 of Ariel. Okay, do what you love, a time of great personal growth in your career or your artistic endeavors, working with others in a corporate manner. Okay, so here Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that you are a person, okay, who cooperate with others, okay, and you take you not only take, and first of all that I'm getting is you really work hard. Okay, that is what I'm hearing. You really work hard with all your focus and concentration. Okay, so here Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that all the hard work that you have done, okay, the way you understand others and everything, okay, all your hard work is going to get paid off. Okay, it's like there will be a sudden growth, sudden recognition. Okay, people will come to you and they will like, hey, you're doing a very great job. Okay, you're really working hard, a kind of appraisal. Okay, for some, okay, there are chances of promotion. Okay, some kind of promotion. Okay. The next card is Four of Fire. Seek out other possibilities. Look for magic in life. Be aware of your own emotions. Okay. So here, So here, Lord Krishna want to tell you that, see, He is providing you with another opportunity. Okay, see, He's bringing, see, there are three conch, okay, like a shank, what we call as, okay. There are three shank over here with her, but there is another one that the Archangel Raphael is providing her, okay. So it's like Lord Krishna is providing her that opportunity, that another, that unbelievable opportunity, okay, that she can't even recognize that, hey, the universe is trying to give me this, okay. She's not able to understand it, okay. See the light, how, like, the energy is really good, guys, okay. So yeah, she's, Lord Krishna want to tell you that He's providing you with another opportunity, okay. Seek that opportunity, take that opportunity, okay. Just turn around, turn behind, and look what things you have around you, okay, because there are opportunity available to you, okay. It's just that you are busy with your own things, you're constantly working so hard, okay. You're constantly busy with it, okay. So Lord Krishna want to tell you that He is providing you with another better opportunities, okay. Just look around and focus on what other possibilities are there, okay. Ask yourself what other possibilities are available to you, okay. Ace of Ariel, okay. So good news regarding finances, okay. So a new beginning will be there, okay, especially in terms of, see guys, for you I'm especially connecting with the energy of career, okay. There is a career in growth, there will be a new beginning in your career, okay. So Lord Krishna want to tell you He's helping you, He's blessing you in your career, okay, especially regards to your career, okay. It's your lucky day. New resources of money, time or support, a change in job or I told you here itself that for some you might receive a kind of recognition or some kind of promotion, okay. See here how how beautiful is this, guys, okay. See, you might receive a promotion or there might be a new beginning, guys, for you, okay, in terms of your career, okay. So let us see what further message Lord Krishna has for you. Resilience, okay. I'm so sorry, guys. Resilience, rise above tribulations. Okay, with this card, guys, I'm getting the message that, seek for the peace. Okay, see, it's like, you're working so hard, okay. Lord Krishna want to tell you that, hey, look for peace, okay. He want to tell you that you can start off with meditations, okay. This is what I'm getting, okay. Go ahead with meditations, okay, because I'm just kind of feeling that He's providing you with the peace, okay. He's telling you that, hey, anger or fear or rage or frustration will not lead you anywhere, okay. What you need to do is focus on yourself, focus on your inner self, okay. Meditate, guys, okay. Do some meditation, listen to some meditations, or just be in nature and seek for peace, okay. This is what I'm hearing, seek for peace, okay. Potential, think big for your future. How cute is this? See, guys, Lord Krishna is trying to tell you, you have lot of, see, with this card, see, here also you have that potential, okay. You have that opportunity, but you're constantly busy working so hard, you're just working with whatever you have, okay. But Lord Krishna want to tell you that, hey, your possibilities, your vision, your target, it is much more than what you think is, whatever you think currently, okay. I don't know how it's yeah, okay. So he's he's really pushing you guys. Okay, he want to tell you that hey, you have that capability, that strength within yourself to deal with the situation. It's like you have a much more potential than what you think. Okay, even see, it is so clear with this Four of Profile card. Okay, it's like you are just focusing on just one thing that you have right now. Okay, so like Lord Krishna want to tell you that hey, look out for some other sources as well. Okay, if you have just single source of income, okay, so it is very clear that Lord Vishnu is telling you that you have more potential than this. Okay, you should look out for much more sources of income. Okay, just one source of income is not enough. Okay, so apply for other sources of income as well. Okay, so and with the Ace of Ariel, he is assuring you that the wealth and money, abundance, prosperity will be available to you. Okay, it is kind of a new beginning. Okay, he just want to tell you that just open your eyes and look around. Okay, let's see what other message you have. Inner temple, devotion, tune into the portal of your heart. Oh God, see guys, with this card, guys, I'm getting that look out for inner peace. Okay, you people kind of just are so busy working, so busy, like working so hard for others, for yourself. Okay, and with here also, okay, I got the message that you should meditate. Okay, you should look into yourself. I told you that. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you, look within yourself. Okay, whatever the questions you have, ask yourself. Okay, you have all the answers within yourself. Okay, your intuitions will guide you very clearly. Okay, I'm just literally feeling that energy. Okay, you have a golden aura, guys. Like क्या बोलूं मैं. Okay, it's like your energy is really good. Okay, means your inner higher self can guide you. It's like you don't need any astrologer, you don't need any psychic. Your inner higher self will guide everything that is required for you to live in this in this earth realm. Okay, so you have everything within you. Just ask yourself. बोलते हैं ना, अपने अंदर झांक के देखो. Okay, सब प्रश्नों का उत्तर वही है, बस अपने अंदर झांक के देखो. ओके, रियलाइज करो वो चीज जो आपके अंदर है, दैट स्ट्रेंथ दैट यू हैव विद इन योरसेल्फ. ओके, Star Mother, how can you mother yourself? Okay, sweethearts. So you know what, with this card what I'm getting is you're constantly working so hard. इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हो पर खुद का ख्याल नहीं रख पा रहे हो ठीक से. ठीक है, so guys, what you have to do is take care of yourself. Ask yourself that the way your mother used to treat you, treat yourself that way. Okay, mother yourself, nourish yourself. Okay, I'm also getting that some of you are have already मतलब वो चीज़ कर रहे हो तुम. Okay, that it's like I'm just feeling that you have already started pampering yourself, started thinking about yourself, and Lord Krishna is praising that thing. Okay, he's like, I'm proud of you that you're taking care of the body that he has gifted you in this lifetime. Okay, so even that in the body that you are, okay, you should take care of that body too. Okay, so let us see what other message you have. Agni. Okay, Lord Agni, God of fire. Improved digestion. Okay, true knowledge and worldly riches. Acquisition of inner powers through yoga. Freedom from devising desires and habits. Okay, so here Lord Krishna is telling you that connect with the energy of fire. Okay, and for some I'm also getting that some are kind of dealing with some gastric issues or some kind of stomach issues, okay, or digestion issues. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that balance your energies. Okay, balance that heat. Okay, and Agni is the source to connect to the divine. Okay, see, in every religion there is a fire element. Okay, whether in candles, in diyas, okay, in like dhoop, Okay, even that is a kind of fire element. Okay, so everywhere we do light candles, we do light fire element. Okay, so fire is a source of connection. Okay, so with this card I'm also feeling that your connection with Lord Krishna has increased by the passage of time. Okay, the connection you had before and the connection you have now. Okay, there is a huge shift in the connection with the divine energies. Okay, Lord Kapila, the knower of matter and spirit. Okay, I'm getting this. Scientific knowledge, power of discrimination, divine understanding and liberation, knowledge and mastery of material element. Okay, guys, with this card, I'm as I told you already that you have that divine knowledge within you to live in this earth realm. Okay, and each and every answer is within you yourself. Okay, Lord Krishna has blessed you with that powerful intuitions. Okay, you have that supernatural power of your intuitions. Okay, everyone has it. Okay, it's just that some realize it and some does not. Okay, so it's just that tap into yourself. Okay, tap within yourself. Okay, ask yourself what questions you have. Okay, you will find the answers automatically, guys. Okay, communicate clearly. Okay, so here Lord Krishna is telling you that, hey lovely souls, communicate clearly. See what happens, see, you're working so hard, you're trying to build your own career and kind of that growth. Okay, you are just striving and struggling, working super hard for that growth. Okay, so Lord Krishna want to tell you that it's just communicate clearly. See, for example, I'll just give you an example. Okay, if you are working in a company for 1 year, okay, constantly, okay, and you deserve a promotion. Okay, and the company has told you that in a year they will provide you the promotion. Okay, but after 1 year has been passed, but there is no response from the seniors or the management. Okay, so you should go and tell, hey, I have completed my 1 year. Okay, so you told me that you will give me my promotion after I completed certain period. Okay, so I deserve it now. What about it? Okay, just ask, just communicate clearly. Okay, if something you're feeling that something is not right, something is going something fishy or something wrong, okay, communicate clearly, guys. Okay, see, it's communicate clearly does not mean to have a fight and be aggressive and just say anything to anyone on their face. Okay, but be sensible, be sensitive, and at the same time communicate clearly. Whatever you have within yourself, bring it out. Okay, let us see what last card. No. Okay, so you know what, here I'm with this card, I'm getting that is Lord Krishna want to tell you that learn to say a no. Okay, because whenever people, you're such a hard worker, guys. Whenever people come to you and ask for help, you will never say no. It is very difficult for you to say a no. Okay, so Lord Krishna want to tell you that अरे बेटा no बोलना सीख लो. Okay, see, sometimes it is important to say a no. Okay, rather than always saying yes and nodding your head. Okay, what as per what others say, what others believe. Okay, see, with this communicate clearly card. Okay, it's like whatever you have within yourself, communicate it clearly. Even though if you don't agree with certain things, okay, don't just nod your head because others are saying it. No, keep your point of view, okay, on desk. Okay, because you never know, with that point of view you might get a promotion with the idea that you have and that you are hiding within yourself. Okay, you don't know, that idea might give you a super promotion. Okay, so this is the message from Lord Krishna. Okay, guys, I will come up with many more timeless pick a card reading. Okay, and many more positivity videos. I'll just keep on posting on my YouTube channel, that is Dear Zindagi. Okay, so thank you so much for supporting, guys, and thank you. I just really love you guys. Okay, thank you so much. Have a lovely life ahead. Okay, lots and lots and lots of love from Lord Krishna and Ma Radhe. Okay, let all your relationships, your love life, your career life, okay, just be blessed, okay, with as per their blessings and their energy. Okay, so goodbye, guys. Hello, everyone. Whoever has chosen this beautiful tortoise. Okay, so let us see what. See, I'm you guys. I'm kind of feeling you guys are kind of beach lovers. Okay, it is just what I'm seeing, a vision of a beach. Okay, so you guys kind of are a beach lover and a very emotional people. Okay, so let us see what message you have from Lord Krishna and Ma Radhe. Okay, dear God, Goddess Archangels, Lord Krishna, what message, what guidance you have for me, that you want to see, what message you have. Okay, let me just take it. Okay. Let me just, take all the cards and then I'll do it accordingly. Okay? Dear God, Goddess Archangels, Lord Krishna and Ma Radhe, what guidance, what message you have for You guys are kind of anxious, are you? Because I'm just feeling it, Dear God, Lord Krishna, Ma Radhe, what message you have for both? What guidance you have for both? Just take one card from this deck. Dear God, oh God. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the first card that you have received, the Hierophant. Okay, so guys, Lord Krishna, first of all, I'm just feeling that he's constantly guiding you. Okay, see, with this, as I told you that you guys are very emotional and kind of beach lovers. Okay, I'm also feeling a lot of blue. Okay, I'm just reflecting a lot of blue color. Okay, here. Okay, so guys, you are very intuitive people, okay. It's like people come to you to seek advice, okay, and that is the blessing that Lord Krishna is giving you, Okay, that is the blessing that there might be some counselors or healers or some preachers, okay, and some lecturers as well, okay, in this pile. So people come to you seeking for advice, asking for advice. Hey, what should I do in this situation? Okay, so and with the Five of Wands, okay, so here Lord Krishna has, sometimes it happens that you kind of fell into trouble like anything, okay, like मतलब छोटी मोटी झगड़े होती है ना, and see it's like you kind of what to say, okay, see let me put it into like this word, like sometimes fights happen and you see it's like fight is happening between two people. You just go in middle and just try to solve out things, okay, but at the end of the day what happens is people blame you for the fight. Okay, it's like at the end of the day people will blame you. Okay, so yeah, no, so I'm just getting that, guys. Lord Krishna want to tell you that, hey, stop being so good to people. Okay, it's like you're too good for others. Okay, so stop being so good and being so polite, and it's okay if some if others are fighting, let them fight. They will sort their fight, लाइक वो लोग खुद का खुद सुलझा देंगे. आप क्यों जा रहे हो बीच में? ओके, व्हाई आर यू काइंड ऑफ शिफ्टिंग योर एनर्जी विद देयर विद बिकॉज ऑफ द फाइट और बिकॉज ऑफ द सिली. एंड वो झगड़ा ना कुछ नहीं होता, लाइक इट्स जस्ट काइंड ऑफ सिली फाइट्स. ओके, so don't put yourself into such kind of silly troubles, guys. Okay, this is what I'm getting. It's like keep yourself safe and away from such kind of people. Okay, see, even here also you are trying to resolve the conflict. Okay, it is okay. Okay, you have that energy, you have that power to resolve a conflict between two people. Okay, but at the same time make sure that you are at a safer side. Okay, see, if you will fall into this trouble of fighting and oppositions or competitions. Okay, it's it's kind of no use. Okay, and I'm also getting for some there is some kind of competition going on in your life. Okay, some kind of hurdles. Okay, so Lord Krishna is telling you that he is blessing you with the energy and power to cope up with the situation, guys. Okay, so with the Seven of Sword, okay, Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, hey, okay, you trust everyone quickly. Okay, so he's telling you, see, I'm just hearing this thing. Okay, you're too good for others. Okay, guys, see, sometimes, okay, don't let others to take disadvantage of you. Okay, see, it's like this person is kind of stealing your sword. Okay, and you don't even know that. Okay, so it's kind of energy. Okay, I'm feeling that someone is draining your energy. Okay, so Lord Krishna and Ma Radha is trying to tell you that, hey, don't let others take disadvantage of your innocence, of your loyalty. Okay, just don't do that. Okay, look after yourself. Okay, see, self-love or self-care is not being selfish. Okay, so focus on yourself as well. Take care about the people who are around you. Like, don't trust everyone, like, within a fraction of second. Okay, trust yourself, your inner wisdom. Okay, trust your inner wisdom. Okay, before trusting others. Okay, and I'm also hearing this thing, guys. Okay, he's telling you that have faith within me. Okay, I'm within you. You can hear me. I'm there with you strongly. You are not alone. Okay, this is what I heard right now. Okay, so let us see what further message you have. Owl, follow your intuitions. See, Blue, I told you in the beginning itself, guys, that you guys are very intuitive people. Okay, it's like your intuitions are really, really strong, like really, really strong. Okay, with this amethyst crystal is also highlighting to me. Okay, so I'm also getting that, guys, whatever you have within yourself, speak up. Okay, so it's like speak your heart out. Okay, and listen to your intuitions. Okay, Lord Krishna is have blessed you with so much of intellect, so much of inner wisdom. Okay, make use of it, sweethearts. Okay, what is the next card? Peacock. Raise your standards. Okay, see, sometimes what happens, you kind of believe in others and kind of blindly trust in others. Okay, what happens here is, people always let you down. Okay, in one or the other situation, people, and especially your loved ones who are around you, okay, they kind of let you down, and at the end of the day they will blame you for everything. Okay, like if something has went wrong, they will just blame you. Okay, so like Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, hey, these are the lower frequency, lower energies. Okay, so Lord Krishna want to tell you that, hey, you are much more bigger than this. Okay, so you are in this current frequency right now. He's telling to raise your vibrations, raise your standards. Okay, go for, see, if you sometimes if you're feeling like okay, to buy something branded, okay, but you are kind of not buying it because because of some budget issues, or because you want to fulfill some, like you have to pay your family. Okay, but I'm just hearing that Lord Krishna is just telling you, he wants to tell you that it is necessary to look after your family. It is very important to share your finances, but it is also important to take care of yourself. Okay, if you don't take care of yourself, it is kind of like zarurat matlab, what to say, guys, you guys are so sweethearts. Okay, matlab, you guys see blue, you guys are so emotional and so sensible and so touchy. Okay, matlab, emotionally. Okay, so see, and you guys are kind of animal lover. I'm also getting that. Okay, see, owl and peacock. Okay, so you guys are kind of you just love animals. You believe in sharing love. Okay, sharing love, giving healing. Okay, so raise your standards, sweethearts. There's no need of being in such lower frequency energy. And if there is those kind of people who kind of constantly give you the negative energy, kind of talk behind your back, okay, ऐसे लोगों को पहचानो और इनसे दूर रहो. It is better to stay away from such kind of people, because it's like they are draining your energy and making this taking disadvantage of your innocence and your your loyalty. Okay, so be aware, guys. Okay, and please, how to pronounce this? Okay, let me just read this. Okay, double mission, channeling and uplifting humanity. Okay, you guys, see, you guys are very 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 humble people. Okay, मतलब बहुत ऐसा है ना कि see, if you see some animal crying, you'll just go and grab them. Okay, because you have that kind of humanity. And with the card of you are very intuitive people as well. Okay, as I already told you with other cards. Okay, so even in this card, like Lord Krishna is telling you that you have that energy to connect to the divine. Okay, matlab aisa hai na, see, sometimes not everyone can do the channeling. Okay, not everyone can connect to the divine, to the connect to the beings from other realm. Okay, from another world. Okay, but you have that you have that connection. Your soul has that connection, where you can easily connect to the divine, the goddesses, or beings from other realm, the light beings, the spirit guides, the everyone out there. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you, you have that strong connection with the universe. Make use of it. Okay, I'm also kind of feeling there are the ones who has chosen this pile are also psychic people. Okay, like a psychic. Okay, Akasha, your guidance is divinely guided. You guys are so much protected. because I'm literally feeling, that see, I'm also feeling that some might be Pisces or some, water element. Okay, like what we have, Pisces, Cancer. Okay, and one more. Which one is one more? Okay, another water element sign. Okay, Pisces, Cancer. I'm not getting that word. Okay. Okay, fine, I don't know, I'm just not getting that word. Okay, see, all the three signs. Okay, yeah, your moon sign would be, Pisces, Cancer, or another moon sign. Okay, I'm just not getting it. Okay, so Lord Krishna is also telling you that whatever step you take, okay, your intuitions, okay, they every time they guide you via your intuitions. Okay, guys, every time. So don't never ever try to ignore your intuitions, sweethearts. Okay, never ever try to ignore your intuitions. Okay, let us see. Next card. Yamanya, golden opportunities. Important doors are opening for you right now. Walk through them. Okay, so Lord Krishna will provide you with the many opportunities. Okay, like constant opportunities. Okay, if you couldn't opt for one, you will have the second, you will have the third, you will have the fourth. Okay, so yeah, see, there is competition available to you. Okay, there are competitions that is going on around you. Okay, but Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that there is lots of opportunity that he will provide you. Okay, so don't let others energies affect you or the competition affect you. Okay, he's trying to tell you that ignore the competition, look upon the opportunities that you have on your plate. Okay, so yeah, make use of that opportunities. So much of blue. Guys, I'm very strongly connecting, blue, like emotional people, very intuitive people, psychic. Okay, like वो क्या बोलना अब. Okay, very intuitive peoples. Your intuitions, it's like bang on every time. Okay, let us see what this card is trying to tell you. Goddess Maybe. Cycle and rhythm. Honor the cycle of your body, energy level, and emotions. Okay, so here also Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, guys, that take care of yourself. Okay, see, I know there are people around you who are in lower frequency, who are kind of constantly give you that negative vibes. Okay, but here Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that know yourself, guys, know yourself. Okay, and just take care of yourself. अपना emotions का, अपने body का, energy, अपने खुद के energy level का ध्यान दो. ठीक है, take care of your own energy level. Don't let your energy affect because of others' energy. Okay, don't you kind of you people are kind of you have unhealthy empathy kind of tendency. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you unhealthy empathy is not needed here. Okay, don't absorb others' energy. Okay, because it is not at all necessary. ठीक है. Wow, romance card. Okay, so with this romance card, Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that your relationships are gonna taken care of. Okay, and just take care of your relationships, guys. Okay, if that person, okay, this is not for everyone. Okay, that your partner is kind of hiding something from you. Okay, kind of I would say kind of cheating or kind of robbing something from you. You might be your energies as well. Okay, that person might be draining your energy. Okay, this is not for everyone, only for some or handful of them. Okay, so yeah, majority what I'm feeling, the major majority of the energy that I'm feeling is that your relationships is going to improve. Okay, it's like your bond is getting improved. Okay, that strength, okay, you will know each other's strength, and that I'm just seeing this. Okay, the bond, okay, the bond is really kind of increasing. You're kind of understanding each other at the emotional level. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that he's taking care of your relationship. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so strong yes. Okay, for some I'm also feeling that you guys are kind of confused with your relationship. Okay, whether to choose this person or whether to not choose this person, whether he's my life partner, or whatever your intuitions are guiding you. Okay, whatever your intuitions are telling you regarding your relationship. Okay, Lord Krishna is telling that it is 110% yes. Okay, no matter what your intuitions are telling you, it is a yes. Yes means a yes. You cannot doubt your intuitions, guys. Okay, when pile 2 got this card, Lord Agni. Okay, so even you guys, there is some kind of connection with pile 1, pile 2. Might be you were confused between pile 1 and pile 2. Okay, so yeah guys, with this Lord Agni. Okay, so here also pile 2, I'm just getting that spend time with fire element. Okay, do some meditations by lighting some candles, and do some healing ritual that involves some kinds of fire element. Okay, practice certain rituals that contain fire elements. Okay, so I'm also getting that for some health would be of importance. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that if you're facing some kind of digestion issues, go and visit a doctor. Don't ignore. Okay, don't ignore. Okay, आज को छोटी चीज़ है, कल जाके बड़ी भी हो सकती है. ठीक है, so do not ignore what your body is trying to tell you. Okay, also with this card, don't ignore what your body is trying to tell you. Okay, if you feel like something is not going that great within yourself, then go and look out for a doctor. Check yourself. Okay, have a regular checkup, and take care of your health. Also I'm getting that you guys are kind of having a unhealthy food habit. Okay, so maintain a proper nutrition. Okay, this is what Lord Krishna is trying to tell you. Take care of yourself, maintain a proper or else consult a nutrition that will provide you or guide you with a proper proper schedule for your food, what nutrition or what food you should have. Okay, so yeah, this was your overall message, guys. Okay, so I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay, and all the best for your life, and I pray to Lord Krishna that please Lord Krishna and Ma Radhe bless them with the abundance, the good relationship, and their career, their finances. Okay, bless them with whatever they desire or deserve. Okay, so yeah guys, goodbye. Have a lovely life ahead. Lots and lots of love. I will come up with more such timeless pick a card reading. So stay connected, lovely souls, and thank you so much for showering. Oh god, thank you so much for showering so much of love to our dear Zindagi. Goodbye. Hello pile 3, whoever has chosen this conch. Okay, so let us see what message you have from Lord Krishna and Ma Radhe. Okay, I'll just keep it here like this. Dear God, Goddess, Lord Krishna and Ma Radhe, what message you have for pile 3 for the current situation? What you want to guide them? This is a group general pick a card reading. Okay, timeless pick a card reading. So guys, take what resonates. Okay, and just leave which does not. Okay, I'm sorry. see what message you have. Okay. Knight of Michael, wisdom and objectively are important now. Stay in your integrity. A situation that calls for honest and open communication. Okay, so guys, with the messenger card, I'm also getting that there is a person, okay, who will come into your life who has already, or else who is already in your life. Okay, that person kind of gives you a real opinion, okay, a true opinion. Okay, he's kind of a messenger to you. Okay, he or she, okay, is kind of a messenger to you. Okay, means मतलब अपनी honest opinion देते हैं, ठीक है, and you kind of really receive a proper guidance with them. Okay, so with that person, communicate clearly. Okay, say whatever you feel within yourself. Okay, so communicate clearly, guys. This is what I'm getting, communicate clearly. Okay, so let's see what your next card is trying to tell us. New beginning, Archangel Jeremiah. Starting a new life, finding your purpose, a forgiving and compassionate review of the past. Okay, so with this card, guys, Lord, I'm just feeling that you guys have really faced a lot. Okay, like really faced a lot, like a tough time. It's your life has not been this or this or this. Okay, it's been like up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay, so your life has been, you have faced in that up and down situation in your life. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, hey, you need not worry. Whatever struggles you had, it has come to an end. Okay, the karmas, whatever had to release, had released. Okay, now it's time to create your new karmas, create a new journey, new life. Okay, and whatever the current situation is in your life is an important part in your life. Okay, मतलब जो भी अभी situation चल रहा है ना आपके life में, see, it is a timeless picker card reading. So whenever you're watching this video, okay, I'm talking about that time. Okay, whatever at the time you're watching this video. Okay, so whatever situation you have right now in your life, okay, that is important. Okay, that is important. Divine, you guys have got two major arcanas. Wow. The Hierophant card, even I guess Pile 2 got this card. Okay, Divine Guidance, Archangel Sandalphon. The search for meaning in life. Consider an alternative approach. Surrender yourself with wise teachers or friends. Okay, guys, I'm feeling that you guys are constantly surrounded by very wise people in your life. Okay, even with regards to your family, you have a life partner, okay, that is very supportive towards you. Okay, like very strong, okay, very positive. Okay, in pile 2 I was getting the different energy. Okay, okay, but in this pile I'm just feeling so much of positivity is around you, the people around you, it's like Lord Krishna has blessed you with good people around you. Okay, no matter how your life has been like up and down, kind of whatever hurdles you had, you have kind of people in your life who really guide you for your best. Okay, thinking about you, not about them. Okay, so you have good people around you. You have such people who really guide you for your best. Okay, as well as your inner wisdom is also great. Okay, at times people come to you and seek for advice. Okay, at times. Okay, but majorly you see, whenever you seek for some advice, okay, you're feeling, oh God, I'm in this trauma, I'm in this confusion, what should I do, or with whom should I ask. Okay, but even though you just ask, okay, you just think, okay, and suddenly someone comes and guides you from nowhere. Okay, this is the blessing that you have in this lifetime. Okay, oh, what is this? Like, Even pile 2 got the same card. I don't know, pile 2, I guess pile 2, yeah. I shuffled it so many times, okay, even like off camera I shuffled it, okay, and again the same card. Okay, you all, okay, everyone is so intuitive people. Whoever is watching this video, whether it is pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, you are all are bang on with your intuitions, guys. Okay, it's like you're constantly practicing something healing work, or some kind of intuitive like you might be doing practicing meditation to increase your intuitions, okay, to get in touch with the divine. Okay, and with this pile, I'm feeling that you guys are very clever, okay, like very sharp, very clever. Okay, your energy, I'm feeling your energy kind of, you adapt things very soon. Okay, if someone teaches you something, you will not take even a minute to learn things. Okay, you are a good learners, okay, as well as good preachers, I would say. Creative wonderment. Follow your passion. Okay, so with this card, guys, and what I'm feeling is, fill your life. See, I know that whatever hurdles you had in your life, you have faced a lot. Okay, so now Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, hey, this is the time for new beginning. Okay, so whatever your heart wants to tell you, whatever your true passion is, okay, follow that passion. Okay, if you love making YouTube videos, just go ahead with it and just do it. Okay, do it. Follow your passion, whatever you feel like. Okay, with this card, I'm just feeling it that some of you like really love music. Okay, you are working with music, or you just love music. Okay, so go ahead with that. Okay, I'm also getting like some are fashion designers, some are some kind of like musicians. Okay. Okay, musicians. Okay, so follow your passion, guys. Follow your passion. Okay, it doesn't matter whether this is fashion designing or modeling or musician. Okay, no matter what you have, follow your passion. Okay, don't ignore it. Okay, Anna, grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundation, divine plan. Okay, so here Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that everything is working as per his plans. Okay, whoever people you are received in your life, whatever ups and downs has happened, I'm feeling a very strong family connection, guys. Okay, for this pile, you guys are very grounded, rooted. Okay, you have that self-respect. Okay, मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना, सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट है. Okay, that if you take something from someone, you make sure that you give them the double, or at least you pay them back whatever you have taken from them. Okay, that's self-respect. Okay, very good energy, guys. Star seed, what light you up. Okay, so with this card, guys, I'm getting that Lord Krishna is telling you, I'm just connecting this with this. Okay, like follow your passion, guys. See, with all the pains and struggles that you have faced in your life, you are kind of not following your passion. Okay, due to see, I will give an example. Due to certain situation, okay, you actually love doing fashion designing, or for once you have thought that you will become a fashion blogger. Okay, but due to your circumstances or your situations, okay, it couldn't happen. Okay, for some reason it couldn't happen. Okay, so now the Lord Krishna and Maharada is telling you, do it. Okay, it's better late than never. Okay, so follow your passion. Okay, do what enhances your soul. Okay, what brightens your soul. Okay, communicate clearly. I don't know, with today's reading, all all the three piles might be okay. Some might prefer watching the whole video itself, okay, because there is so strong connection. Even pile 1 got, it's like, I'm shocked, okay. I have shuffled the cards so many times, but it is the same cards are repeating, okay, in one or the other form they are repeating, okay. So yeah, let us move ahead, okay. So Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, communicate clearly, sweethearts, okay. So you have a very strong intuitions, you have your own ambitions, own dreams, own desires, okay. So communicate that clearly, okay. Don't compromise, excess compromise is not required, okay. So follow your dreams. No, okay. So with this card, no, I'm for this pile. What I'm feeling is, see, you haven't received something, okay? Like you something had happened, and you kind of really desired that to happen, but due to some situation, it did not happen. Okay, so Lord Krishna wants to tell you that is the way of protecting you, okay. See, his rejection is rejection is kind of protecting you, okay. So his rejection is your his divine protection, okay. I will put it that way, okay. So he's kind of protecting you, okay. So see, the whole realm is with you guys, okay. Whole realm is blessing you, okay. It's just that you need to get out that energy, okay, that you are kind of, you don't deserve it or things like that, okay. So angels are telling you, no, you deserve it, okay, and you have to earn it, okay. So the things that happen, that that you did not receive certain things, or might be, I'm also getting this, someone has couriered something but you did not receive it, okay, due to some circumstances, okay. So Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that thing did not belong to you, okay. So yeah, let us see further. It's all dying love. The love you have shared is eternal regardless of the situation, okay. So for some, I'm also kind of feeling that you see, in short, let me tell you this, you guys have faced a lot, okay. I'm just literally feeling that तुम सबने ना बहुत 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 पेन झेला है, बहुत देखी है लाइफ, ओके. Like you guys kind of old soul, okay, not just this lifetime but also the past lives, okay. It's like you have really faced a lot, and you have gone through a lot to come in the situation that you are right now, okay, and that have made you so self like self क्या बोलते हैं, selfish का opposite, okay. You're kind of so humble, so good towards others, and so independent, so like I'm feeling that power, okay. You have that power within you guys, okay. You're that strong, so positive, every time so positive, and constantly trying to improve yourself with one or the other way, okay. Goddess Cordelia, go outside. You have been indoors too long. Go outside and get some fresh air. Okay, so Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that, guys, go out, have some fresh air, be in the nature, spend time in nature, and you are very, even you see, when you're you're a very intuitive person, okay. So if I'm with this card, I'm also feeling that Lord Krishna is trying to tell you that keep your body hydrated, sweethearts, okay. Keep your body hydrated, drink proper amount of water, okay. Yeah, so go outside and take some fresh air, spend time in nature, okay. Have some love yourself, okay. Balram. How cute is this? Okay, see, if you don't know, Lord Balram was Lord Krishna's elder brother, okay. Like he's the manifestation of Sheshnag, okay. Balram. Let us see behind. Protection and loyalty. brotherly love and service, spiritual and moral strength, freedom from the evil of intoxications. Okay, so with this card I'm feeling that you guys are very protected. Okay, you have a different connection with the divine. Okay, and see, it's not just that you are protected, but you are also protective towards the people who are around you. Okay, I'm getting that thing also. Okay, and you guys are so loyal and humble people. I told you already that thing. Okay, so Lord Krishna, because you are such lovely souls, such always so loyal, and you have faced so much of thing, experienced so much of thing. Okay, so Lord Krishna is providing you with the blessing. Okay, with the blessing of protection. Okay, with the blessing of brotherhood. Okay, because, and also I'm getting that the people you have around you belongs to your soul family. Okay, that's why you have such great connections with people who are around you. Okay, so yeah, this was it. This is also your overall message from Lord Krishna and Maradhe. Okay, so I hope you resonated well, guys, and take whatever you feel like, because this is a general reading. Okay, so yeah, have a lovely life ahead, sweethearts, and thank you so much for showering so much of love to our Dear Zindagi page and to me. Okay, because it really motivates me. Okay, so thank you so much, and have a great life ahead. Goodbye, sweethearts. See you soon. Bye bye. And I always say, always remember to love your Zindagi. Bye bye.